Hello all, I have a tool review for you today. The cheapest brushless 1/4 inch impact driver. I picked one up from Amazon and I picked one up from Lowe's. Both were on sale. Both of them are drastically different in price. Both brushless. So let's get into it. My homework here. Little knife there to get it open. So let's get this Kobalt. This was, at the time of purchase, $99.99, and it is brushless, 24 volt max. The specs on it, I guess, are pretty impressive. Tools I use are actually DeWalt. So this is really going to be kind of fun for me because I've never owned a Kobalt at all. I got Kobalt hand tools, ratchets, sockets, that sort of thing, but never any power tools. So this comes with a charger, a bag, and one 2 amp hour battery. Alright, so that's that one. Put that off to the side for a minute. And I am going to open both of them up today and also put them head to head. See what these can do. And I'm really interested to see what this one can do. This was $41 at the time of sale when I purchased it off Amazon. And as this video is being made right now, this is still $41. I'm not promoting anything, just trying to find out what's the best out there for your buck. Said it is brushless. This comes with a battery, a charger, and a selection of bits right here. Shows in the box. Kind of plain packaging. Guess to save a couple of dollars doing that. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. That is 20 volt. So let's see here. Well, sunglasses got to come off of this. Throw them off the side. So the Kobalt. It's got 3 settings. The Enertwist does not. It's got one setting according to the box. Now I may pull the thing out and it might have a selector switch. I don't know. We'll find out here in just a minute. The Kobalt is 0 to 850 on the first setting, 0 to 2000 on the second, and 0 to 2700 on the third. The Enertwist is just 2100 RPM. Impacts per minute. The Enertwist is 0 to 2800 impacts per minute. The Kobalt is quite a bit more at 3500. See the torque. Now this is the big one. The Enertwist is saying it's 330 Newton meters, and the Kobalt's 203 Newton meters. There's a big difference right there. We'll see how it goes because I got a log outside. I want to drill some screws in. I bought a box of screws and some lag bolts. We'll see how all these do, how they hold up against one another. Both guns are 2.5 pounds. The manufacturer of the Enertwist is, I'm not going to get this right, Shangzuha Funhai Electrical Appliance Company. And the one that makes Kobalt is Chevron, not to be confused with the oil company. It's completely different. But it is the 10th largest tool maker in the world. And I guess 10th largest is pretty big. I couldn't find any information on the Enertwist batteries, what's in them, but the Kobalt uses Samsung. So Samsung, I like Samsung. It's always held up great for me. So, and there's a little bit of information here after I open up the Kobalt to get into. which is really surprised the heck out of me. So, put this to the side for right now, and we'll get this Kobalt cracked open. Who doesn't like opening up new tools? I tell you. Nice box. So, I'll tell you what. You go ahead and get that camera in a better angle before I pull all this out. I guess I didn't need that for that. I'll probably need it for the Enertwist. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Alright. See if I can get that in focus. There we go. 24 Kobalt brushless. Selector switch feels alright. It's got a neutral, forward, reverse. Yep, sure does. Alright, put that off to the side. Get the other goodies out. Adjust the focus. There we go. Battery. Uh-oh. I'll have to fully charge this, I guess, before I do any screw driving. Feels alright, I guess. Nice little charger. Pretty basic, but get the job done. At least it's not one of the little tiny ones. Should just go slide right on there. Yeah, I like these type of chargers. Sometimes the cheap ones come with just like a plug or something that just clips on, but yeah, I definitely like these. This charger comes with. This side. Over the back there. Alright. Off the side. What we got here? Read that crap. Oh, yeah, it comes with a bit. Don't know how it's going to be. A little clip. Always comes in handy. Climbing ladders. Clip it to your belt. And go right on the ladder. Throw your hands up. Keep it from falling. I don't need that either. Nice little bag. Get that in focus. There we go. Well, that'll hold your drill and other stuff too, I guess. Alright. There we go. Put that off to the side. I don't know if they put that in there. Snug. Battery. Alright, let's see. Let's see how that fits. Good and snug. It's got something sticky all over it. I don't know what that's from. It's sticky. All right, that's got the. That's the alright, yeah, select 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so that's 3. 2. Alright. Okay, so finish. So that's the finish button. Alright, yeah, I'm sitting here scratching my head on this one, I guess a little bit too long. Alright, so I got that done. Put that in there. And on to the next one, I guess. Alright, ready for the Enertwist. Here we go. Now this has got quite a bit more torque than the Kobalt, but the RPM ain't quite as high. Let's get a little knife out here, open it up. Close that back up. Put it over here. All right, so there we go. Comes with a bag also. So, all right. All right, here we go with the Enertwist. Zipper. All right, there we go. The Enertwist. I'm assuming that's the bits and pieces. Wonder how long they'll last. I just ain't got no faith in any bits that come with any tool like this, especially for $41. But I have been surprised before, so we'll find out. Alright, there's the battery. Oh, that definitely feels a little on the cheap side. Cut costs where you can for $41. It's got a little strap. Another nice little charger. Slide it into. See if we can get that. There we go. Does feel a little on the cheap side. But, alright. Get that in focus. Now for the star of the show. A little belt clip also with that. This open. That off to the side. Oh wow. Selector switch feels good. Alright. Let's get this battery on. Uh-oh. It's a little on the tight side, but that's actually really good. And what's that do? It's got some kind of little. Oh, it does have a selector switch, and it also has a. Check that out. If I can get this focused. It has a finishing option, and it has a high-low. All right. I'll go ahead and reposition the camera again. All right. Got them both out of the box. They both definitely feel about the same weight. Kobalt's a little bulkier on the bottom end there. The handle is definitely fatter, bigger hands. This is that feels good too. Let's see, selector switch. Kobalt does feel a little bit better on a selector switch. Yeah, definitely. This thing is surprising. Didn't say anything about any kind of setting on here. This just has a high, a low, and a finish. So, battery comes on and off pretty smoothly. It's in there pretty good. And then Kobalt's battery. A little easier to get on and off. Yep, and this has got 3 settings and a finish setting. Alright, what I want to check out is this chuck here, because sometimes you buy these things and it's not a quick in. You gotta You gotta do on these numbers. You gotta pull the sleeve out and put it in. Definitely not a deal breaker, but I like the quick end like my DeWalt's got. But Kobalt typically runs about 10 to 20% cheaper than DeWalt anyway, so might be a few, you know, get what you pay for, I guess. So the big thing is, does that come out when you pull on it? Nope, it does not. That's excellent. I can deal with that. So, all right. Now let's see. This slides in. Nope, same deal. Got to pull the collar out, and then let's see. Nope, not coming out. So this feels pretty good. $41. We'll see how it performs here in a little bit. I gotta get these batteries charged up. Collar feels okay. That definitely feels a lot better. Both triggers feel good. Overall, $41. If it performs well, can't beat that for the price, but there is a problem with the Enertwist. I've looked everywhere for replacement batteries, and everywhere is sold out of stock. Maybe due to the COVID deal, I don't know. But I do know when Lowe's runs out of batteries, they're usually stocked up the next week. So I don't know. Also, the system, there is no system of tools with this. You got two other ones. You got like a little saw, and you have a drill driver. That's it. That's all you got. Most of their stuff is corded that I could see. On the other hand, you got a huge system of tools with the Kobalt. Huge plus. Pretty much do anything you want to do. Everything runs off that one battery. That's excellent. And something else I'll mention. Kobalt batteries are cheap. A 2 amp hour at Lowe's is $29.99. There's nothing cheaper. Even Black & Decker's $49.99. DeWalt, everybody, DeWalt, Milwaukee, they're all up there. Next week I got the cheapest brushed from Lowe's and the cheapest brushed from Home Depot. Doing that next week. I'm gonna try to do that next week. Even their batteries are $69.99, $29.99 for a 2 amp hour, and the prices are all cheap for the 3 amp, the 4 amp, the 5 amp hour. It really surprised the heck out of me. I was in Lowe's and I didn't realize they were that cheap until I started talking to a guy what he used on his everyday job, and he uses the Kobalt. I was like, okay. And he says the biggest thing is you're going to learn to like batteries are cheap. It is surprising. So that's that. So I'm gonna get these charged up and get the log in here on some stands, and we'll go at it. All right. Batteries are fully charged. Fully charged. Fully charged. Time for the head-to-head. No idea which one of these is faster. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Well, that's my fault. That I didn't have the Kobalt on high. So let's go ahead and drive them back up. I'm not going to use save as much battery as possible. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out with this. get that restarted. All right. Another hole. All right. Attempt number 2. Should. All right. Kobalt's on number 3. Not on finish. And the Enertwist is on high. Not on finish. You see that? All right, here we go. Second attempt. And wow, I was really, my heart was sinking for the Kobalt there for a second. I was like, hey, wait a minute. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow. That was no competition. This one is $99 on sale, and I believe it was $149. It was regular price, and this was $41 on sale, $59.99 regular price. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to put this on finish mode, and I'm going to see. I don't think that has any. I don't think that's going to make a difference. But we'll put them both on finish mode. How about that? So, let's see. There we go. Finish mode. And finish mode. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull them back up. Start another hole. There, okay, there we go. Both finish mode and frontward. Make sure. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So I guess finish mode. None of my DeWalt's have finish mode, so they're older. So okay. So finish mode is definitely not gonna. All right, there we go. We'll go ahead and finish this up. Before I use too much battery up, I got this big son of a gun over here. And we'll get it started. Now, the Enertwist is supposed to have a whole lot more torque. So we're going to drive this in. Go and get it started. Right here. I'll put it right here. All right, there we go. We're going to do this with the bit. Came with Enertwist. See how it holds up. All right, here we go. Enertwist. it's just about stopped. It's not going to go anymore. Okay. Tell you what we'll do. The old DeWalt, see if it'll. All right, let's see if it'll finish it off. Yep. Kind of expected that from the bits that come with that Enertwist. But I've got more. Let's do it. I want to say it's just about it. I meant to say Kobalt, by the way. I believe I said DeWalt. But, all right. Just a little warm, not bad. Definitely not hot at all. That's definitely a little warmer, but not bad. All right, so let's go ahead and I got a whole line of screws here. Battery, 3 bars. It did have 4, and Enertwist. That's still showing full charge. All right. Adjust that camera a little bit to the screws I got in the back. All right, we're going to start off with the Enertwist. And it's pretty obvious which one's the winner here. But here we go. Not impressed at all. Not impressed with the Enertwist. Now for the Kobalt. The beast. Uh-oh. All right. Let's see if Enertwist will pull that bolt back out. I doubt it will. All right. Right there. Okay. Get a little adjustment there. Focus that sucker in. Enertwist. Taking out the bolt. Doubt it's going to do it. Pretty sure it's not going to do it. But we'll try. Alright, it's got some good reverse torque. Well, that concludes this. This little review. I would not recommend this tool at all, even at $41. I just would not recommend that. It is a nice little kit. It feels good in the hand. Battery feels dirt cheap. The specs on the box are not correct at all. Not at all, not correct. Get that focus, there we go. Yeah, it's got some nice features for $41. It's got your settings, your finish setting. But if you just wanted something to throw in the drawer, use every now and again, yeah, why not? Sure. Yep. So that's my thoughts on that. The Kobalt, definitely worth the $100 on sale. Definitely worth the $100 on sale. Yeah, this is a nice tool. Definitely. Well, that concludes that on the Enertwist and the Kobalt. I did like the Kobalt. This is a good tool. I can definitely throw this in my box and use this all day with no problem. No gripes other than the collar. You just can't just slide it in. But hey, that's not a deal breaker. Everything feels tight and solid on this. Got plenty of power, as you've seen. It is brushless. Switches are nice. Really nothing to complain about, really. The Enertwist, cheap feeling battery. Collar's wobbly, doesn't feel good. The switch is loose, doesn't feel all that great. And these little buttons here, you gotta stick your fingernail right to get it to move. It's not a good feel. Probably won't last very long. Seems to be very underpowered. It did struggle to get a 3-inch screw in there right there before it sunk it in. It did sink it in though, and it sunk in the lag screw too. Just took a little while. This is brushless. Amazon's cheapest at $41. It's true. You get what you pay for. No such thing as magical deals, I guess. You're getting a $41 tool for sure. I'd rather spend the 20 bucks and get a brushed. You can get a better collar, better switches, better battery, definitely for sure. But I'm gonna put this up against the Ryobi and the Craftsman brushed next week. That's next week's video. Yeah, leave that one alone. Leave the Enertwist alone. Yeah, if you can do it. All right, hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Watch, and plenty more projects coming. So, thank you.